Hi, today I would like to share, a lot of people have this question about, if I don't have salary, how can I be an investor? If I don't have income, how can I be an investor? Again, come back to how I started. Some of you had heard my story. I run my F&B, it was not doing well. I don't even pay myself any salary. So today I would like to share how can you really start creating your wealth and be an investor even you don't have money at this point of time. The one thing I want to share with you here is you gotta pay yourself first. Even a housewife, I always tell my student, a housewife is a job. So you gotta ask, I don't know, whether maybe your husband, you have to create your own values and you tell yourself, I'm going to make how much by this month. Because everyone do something and you got to value yourself. And when I learned about pay myself first, I said, oh my God, how am I going to pay myself from a business that is not doing well? So that point of time, I said, if this is true, I start drawing salary from a business is not doing well. And let's put aside all the operation costs first. Let's put aside all the expenses that I have to pay first. I got to value myself and I got to draw salary from it. Because if business is not doing well, there must be something wrong, but I cannot discount my own effort. So I start paying myself first. So for those of you, if you are not earning wealth, right, I want you to look into what's the things that you can do to pay yourself more of that. And then you start doing more and more. When I start seeing income coming in to my own account, I start to have a lot of planning what I can do with that money. Because when I run my business at the same time I start being an investor, I realize, hey, I start seeing money into my account and I can make use of this money to grow that money. So my points to you, especially for those of you who are running your business, I know, a lot of people don't draw salary, especially when you are running your business. But today, my key point to you, for those of you who are running your business, pay yourself first. Pay yourself enough to value your contributions to build your own business and let the company to grow more money for you, because you got to draw salary for yourself. And once you draw the salary, you make use of this money to grow more wealth for you. So today is the key point for you. Don't ever say you don't have money anymore. It's you have to pay yourself well until you see money in your hand.